So hello and thank you for everyone that's attending our presentation on VAST Security Stations version 1.3. My name is Annalise Shane and I am the training manager for VIVOTEK. VIVOTEK's VSS is an intuitive AI-powered IP video surveillance software that makes managing tens of thousands of cameras effortless. With VIVOTEK's advanced AI solutions, you can focus only on the most important events. It's available in 3 variants, so VSS is perfect for projects of any scale. You can choose the right option for your organization and easily scale the system as your needs grow. In this presentation, we're going to cover the core features and functions of VSS, followed by the latest updates and enhancements of this powerful VMS. Let's go over some of the main features of this lightweight and easy to use AI surveillance system. So VSS is a data shield. The data, video streams, and files are all protected. VIVOTEK uses different forms of security in the frame to avoid eavesdropping and tampering whenever we're exchanging data. And then the video and the output images files are going to be encrypted to prevent unauthorized access by others. It combines 3 major AI analytics: Smart VCA, facial recognition, and license plate recognition. Not only that, but it also provides efficient investigation with our deep searches. So you can find the person or vehicle of interest based on their appearance and their behaviors, then re-identify that person of interest across different cameras to track their presence throughout all the cameras on the system. Even with all of these features, VSS is a very affordable option that provides the most value for the money that you spend on a VMS with a simple price plan and free upgrades. VSS is very easy to set up. With its intuitive and highly customizable interface, it allows our users to easily add new cameras to the network, set up substations, and even enable real-time audio broadcasting. Surveillance systems that include video analytics analyze video footage in real time and detect abnormal activities that could pose a threat. Instead of depending on humans monitoring the cameras, the AI powered security system is going to notify security of potential threats as they happen, which in turn is going to help our businesses prevent break ins and any other illegal activities. By combining the different AI analysis that VSS has, such as smart VCA, license plate recognition, and facial recognition, VSS is a platform that's combined with AI intelligent analysis that not only makes our jobs of monitoring the locations easier, but also makes our locations safer. Now, VIVOTEK's VSS provides efficient investigation with our 3 different sophisticated search methods that we call deep search. First, we have attribute search, where we can find people through all the camera's databases. So we could search by his or her height, gender, clothing color, and even accessories. And then if you want to find a vehicle, we can also search by vehicle type. So whether it's a car, a truck, bus, motorcycle, or bike, we can also search by their color as well. Now, you'll see that the interface doesn't just help you to find specific objects, we also record the direction that they're heading. So you can use the built-in 3 rules in scene search. Scene search is going to search single cameras using line crossing, loitering, or intrusion detection. That's defined any time to help you find a specific person or a vehicle in specific scenes. And then finally, according to the best results brought out by attribute or scene search, we can match the best snapshot throughout all of the recordings databases based on similar characteristics. So the suspect's no longer going to be able to hide under all the cameras anymore. We can now research or re-identify to match that person of interest across different cameras to track their presence throughout all of those cameras on that single system. With Case Vault that was introduced in our last version, version 1.2, our customers can easily analyze the suspect's movements and their behavior by organizing the footage automatically in Case Vault. We can easily add videos to the Case Vault by clicking on the 3 dots at the bottom right of each video. Then we can watch the videos and then track the events by playing the videos in sequential order. And then we can even play them in full screen mode with e-maps to easily see the locations that the events occurred. And then with our function auto report, CaseVault can generate a comprehensive report automatically with all the findings for further investigation and documentation. Once we click on that generate report, we can edit the report to remove unnecessary snapshots of the subject, enter notes for better understanding of the event. We can adjust the EMAP for better and easier understanding. And then we can export all of these chronologically sorted videos and the PDF with one click of the mouse. So you could see how the latest VSS transforms hours of manual work into a few efficient clicks. Now, to ensure that you're using our AI compatible products with Vision Object Analytics in order to perform those deep searches that we just went over, you're going to need to choose network cameras, NVRs, and the VMS with the AI icon. So be sure that you check out our website to ensure the camera you select will be able to perform the deep search that you need. We're going to head over to VIVOTEK's webpage and click on the product selector on the right side of the screen. From there, we can find different types of AI capabilities to filter out the cameras that have the features that we need for each project. Now let's go over the different versions that VSS has to offer. It's conveniently divided into 3 editions: light, standard, and professional, in order to satisfy the diverse needs of the market while minimizing cost to the user. VSS Lite is base tier and free to use. VSS Standard is designed to be cost effective for our small to medium businesses. And then our VSS Pro is geared for our medium to large enterprises with high demand for 24-hour centralized management. Your VSS Lite is a free VMS that allows you to connect up to 32 VIVOTEK only cameras, but no VSS or VIVOTEK embedded NVRs are going to be supported with this version. It has the very basic functions for a VMS. We have live viewing, recording, playback, and then even event searches. With the standard system, you're going to receive 8 complimentary camera licenses, and it's going to support up to 256 channels max. This edition is going to support your ND and NV NVRs, and we can handle up to 192 channels at no additional cost, so no additional licenses are necessary. However, licenses are available for cameras that are connected to ND and NV NVRs above the 192 channel max for a 256 channel limit. The functions included with VSS Standard are live viewing, recording, playback, event notifications, EMAPs, alarm management, data magnet, and TCP messaging. So all of those features, no additional licenses are necessary for those. And then also you get 2 of our 3 deep searches. We have attribute search and then also scene search. With the VSS Pro system, there's no complimentary licenses that are going to be included with this. However, the Pro Edition is the only edition that supports the NR series NVR management. Going over the max supported products per system, we have 700 different substations that can be connected, and this system can handle up to 22,400 cameras max. The VSS Pro includes all of the functions that the standard provided, but also included in this is going to be the 3rd deep search research and also case vault that we showed earlier. VSS Pro also includes at no additional cost or licensing for each of these features. It's going to be the extended TV wall matrix, CMS and substation failover, GIS and GPS location tracking, user-defined roles, recording encryption. All of this is provided along with the licenses that you purchase for this edition. Going over the different types of licenses for VSS version 1.3, the VSS standard, there is going to be your individual camera licenses. For any additional ND or NVR channel above the 192 max is going to be your VSS embedded NVR license. The VSS Pro edition, we have the Pro camera license is needed for each channel that's on the server. For any cameras that are on those ND or NV NVRs, we're going to need the VSS Pro embedded NVR camera license for each of those channels. And then if you're upgrading from a standard to a Pro edition, you're going to need to purchase the standard to Pro camera license per channel that's already been licensed with that standard camera license. And of course, just contact one of your sales reps or email me at trainingna@vivotek.com if you have any questions on our licensing. All right, let's get into the new features that are available in version 1.3. The first new feature I'd like to share with you is going to be list management. List management is a new feature in VSS that allows you to centrally manage lists for our VIVOTEK facial recognition and our license plate recognition cameras. With this tool, you can easily enroll the list to multiple FR or LPR cameras all at one time. It's going to help to streamline that process. Additionally, you could set the list as an alarm trigger. It's going to enable you to customize and meet various security needs more effectively. This makes managing your camera system faster and more efficient. So in the past, we've received a lot of feedback about our LPR and our FR camera use cases. One of the biggest challenges that users face is maintaining the list. Many rely on offline methods, which can lead to issues like data loss or version control problems. Additionally, lists must be manually updated on each camera, making the process very inefficient and time consuming. Another key concern is the need for real-time alerts. Users want to be notified in the VSS the moment a specific person or vehicle on the list enters the monitored area. So this is going to enable immediate action and improve response times. With these challenges in mind, our goal is to simplify list management, reduce manual effort, and ensure timely notifications for better security outcomes. So let's explore the key benefits of list management. First, it significantly reduces the effort of maintaining lists by centralizing everything into one place, eliminating the need for scattered manual updates. Second, with just one click, you can enroll a list of multiple cameras. So it's going to save you time and avoid the hassle of updating each camera individually. And finally, list management keeps you informed at all times. With real-time alarm triggers in the VSS, our users can quickly respond to critical events as they happen. So this is going to streamline our processes, enhance efficiency, and then ensure that you never miss a thing. Now let me quickly walk you through a demo of how list management works. There's three key steps. First, you're going to add your list and its members into the list management interface. And we can do this either individually, manually, or we can upload the entire list. So this is going to create a centralized database for easy access. Next, we can enroll our cameras. This allows our list to be applied across multiple cameras seamlessly. So we just find our camera, go ahead and upload our list, and then we're going to wait for that status check mark. Now, if we go to the FR Cameras web interface, we could see that the list has already been uploaded to that camera. And then finally, we could set up an alarm in VSS. This is going to ensure that we receive real-time notifications whether a person or the vehicle on the list is detected. So it's just like setting up any of our other alarms. We'll choose the camera, the trigger, and then our action. Then you can schedule it and name it. Now let's go test it. Now, just a quick note, in version 1.3, you're going to need to add the FR or LPR cameras as a data magnet source first. This step is very essential to receiving the data from the cameras and ensure everything runs smoothly. So that's it. 3 simple steps to optimizing your list management process. List management provides powerful solutions for various real-world challenges. So if we take commercial or campus parking lots, for example, these environments are going to require maintaining staff license plate information at every parking entrance. With the centralized list management, this process becomes streamlined, saving valuable operational time and reducing manual effort. VIP service for hotels. Hotel managers want to create a memorable experience for their VIP guests. So by receiving instant notifications whenever a VIP from the list arrives, hotels can deliver personalized greetings and enhanced service, elevating that guest's experience. And then finally, consider the crime prevention for chain stores. Retailers unfortunately face that constant challenge of shoplifting. So, by identifying known shoplifters as soon as they enter the store and sending timely notifications to the relevant staff, our chain stores can act quickly and significantly reduce criminal incidents and improve the store's security. With list management, businesses can save time, improve service quality, and enhance security in ways that make a real difference. Let's move on to the second new feature, the web client. Many of you who are familiar with our VMS have either requested this feature yourselves or you've heard similar requests from others. So, one key reason for the demand for the web client is security and IT policy requirements, right? So, many enterprise and government agencies prohibit employees from installing third party software on their computers. However, those employees may still need access to view surveillance footage, making a web client an ideal solution. Another reason for web client is going to be the convenience for lightweight or light use users. Some users only need to view live feeds or playback and prefer not to install or update software. The web client offers a hassle-free solution for those needs. With VSS version 1.3, we're very excited to introduce the VSS web client, and the key benefits are clear. First, there's no need to install any software. The users can simply open their browser, enter the server IP, and log in, making access quick and hassle-free. The web client also offers two viewing modes. It's similar to our VSS client. It's going to ensure users have a familiar and flexible experience for the both live feeds and playback. And then finally, it includes a quick configuration feature for our cameras. It's going to streamline setup and then also adjustments directly through the browser. The VSS web client is designed for simplicity, convenience, and efficiency. It's going to help to give our users a seamless way to access and manage their system. So let me go ahead and show you a quick demo of using the web client. All we have to do is open up Chrome or Edge, and then we can enter in either the home address with port 3443 or use the IP address of the server. And then log into it with your credentials. And as you can see, it has a very similar look and feel to not only VSS, but also VIVOTEK, right? So we have our devices on the left-hand side, double click it to fill up all the different view cells. We can have up to a 4x4 template. And then on the right-hand side is going to be our control panel where we can have different options for image. We can control the audio, choose which stream that we're viewing. If we want to also control PTZs, we can control that from the right-hand side as well. If you'd like to see the display, make changes to what we're seeing on the display bar, we can apply that. If you have views that are set up inside of VSS, we can also switch back and forth between those different views. Now, some notes. The server and the web client must be in the same LAN. We need to set up the view first in VSS client, and then also only Chrome and Edge are supported. Now, what are some frequently asked questions that we're receiving on this? How many web clients can be logged into a single server? The server can support 200 clients at the same time, including the VSS client and then also our web client. Can a user add or delete cameras in the web client? The web client is based on the light usage requirement. So currently it's not going to support adding or deleting any cameras. And then how many channels can be viewed in the web client? It'll support up to a 4x4, but if you're going to be using H.265 decoding, 2 megapixel cameras and 30 frames per second, then the max it's going to do is 3x3. All right. Third feature we have is going to be our CMS-driven remote software upgrades for VSS substations. This one's pretty exciting. So one of the biggest challenges that has been experienced by our VMS customers is having to update all of the servers on large installs with multiple sites, right? So let's take this for example. John receives an email from VIVOTEK saying there's a new version of VSS that has the features that his customer has been waiting and wanting. If just one server needs to be upgraded, then That's not a problem. He takes that 6 hour round trip to go and upgrade that server. But let's say that that server is the CMS for many sites, and there are also redundant CMSs to secure the customer's data. Now John has to drive to each and every location to update each server. How much time did John spend on the road? How much time did he spend at each location updating each server? How many times did he get a phone call saying, hey, I'm getting an error message saying there's a version mismatch because they didn't read the email that he sent out that this is going to be a couple week long process? But now, with the CMS driven software upgrade, all John has to do is drive to the CMS site and upgrade the server. From there, he can transfer the installer to the connected sites and push the upgrade remotely. In order to upgrade the stores, he'll need to log into the Site A server, then push the updates from there. Remote clients, they just need to log into any server and download the installers and press a button to upload or to upgrade manually. So we value what you value, and we know that time is money. So let us help to compress weeks into hours. Just want to show you how easy it is to perform the software upgrade. So we need to upgrade our servers. All the servers need to be upgraded to 1.3 first, and then from there we can then have this upgrade remote upgrade capability. So in version 1.3, we will have this new maintenance option. You'll click on there and then click on upgrade. Click on next. Choose the server. Again, we can only choose the one that's current version is at least 1.3. The 1.2 will have to get that upgraded first to 1.3 before this is possible. So let's click on upgrade, and then it'll take some time. Of course, it's software that's installing, but while it's installing in the background, we'll see the message right here that will show us how far along it is on installing the software. And then it'll let you know whenever it's complete. We'll get a status check over here. So some of the benefits with the CMS-driven software upgrades are going to be increased maintenance efficiency. So we get centralized management of software updates across multiple substations from a single location, eliminating the need for on-site visits, and a faster rollout of software enhancements. Those features and security patches can now be deployed across substations without that on-site visit. It's going to ensure VSS substations are always running on the same software version as the CMS station for optimal performance, and it's going to help to save our installers time and effort for those IT and their maintenance teams. Now, some important notices. We get that client upgrade notification. So in order to maintain system-wide version consistency, whenever the client logs into the server with a newer version, the user can download the server's installer and manually run the upgrade through the new pop-up window. The feature is currently for VSS substations only, including our VSS off-the-shelf PCs and our NR series NVRs, no matter if it's a standard server or a failover server. And this is only, again, for version 1.3 or newer. That means you're going to have to manually upgrade the entire system, both the CMS station and the VSS substations, to version 1.3 first, and then afterwards we can use this feature to upgrade to other newer versions. All right, let's go over the improvements that are available. Version 1.3, we have increased security, our system security. We've upgraded the security library OpenSSL from version 1.1 to 3.0. It's going to provide enhanced security and improved protection. We now have enhanced view cell display, so it supports the YC extension to improve contrast in camera view cells. It's going to enhance visual clarity for a better viewing experience. And we now have high resolution display for support, where it supports 4K plus resolution displays by upgrading to QT6 application framework. It delivers sharper text rendering. It also enhances the quality of camera view cells. It ensures clearer, more detailed images for a better overall visual experience. I just want to show you a visual comparison on the 4K display. On the left-hand side, you'll see that's version 1.2, and on the right-hand side, version 1.3. If we take a look over here at the text, you'll notice that it's clear and sharper when we're looking at the 4K monitor side. Also, if we zoom in, we can see that the clarity is a lot better, especially whenever we're looking over here at the license plates compared to the version 1.2. All right, let's recap what we've covered during this presentation on the latest updates and features in VAST Security Station version 1.3. So some key enhancements include the addition of list management for our LPR, or license plate recognition, and our FR, our facial recognition cameras, allowing for a more centralized and proactive approach to management and monitoring. Also, we've introduced a web client for live viewing. This enables our users to access camera feeds without the need to install software, simplifying the user experience. Additionally, remote software updates for VSS substation software are now available, which is going to improve operational efficiency by allowing customers to easily keep their systems up to date. And then some software improvements include enhanced view cell display for better image clarity, increased system security to protect sensitive data, and it supports high resolution displays for sharper and more detailed visuals. So these updates collectively enhance the functionality, the security, and the ease of use of VAST Security Station, providing a more seamless and efficient user experience. All right, for more information on our new VSS version 1.3 or any of our products, please visit our website or you can contact your sales rep. If you are not already a VIVOTEK channel partner, you could be missing out on significant savings for your projects. Our partner program is designed to help our dealers and our integrators grow their business by tapping into our position in this rapidly expanding market. You can gain access to exclusive resources, services, and even better margins simply by joining. Be sure to stay connected by following us on LinkedIn and watch our recorded webinars on our YouTube channel or on our learning management site, na-academy.vivotech.com. Thank you all so much for attending today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.